welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. I am back with another mini vlog. I know I promised a tutorial, but things have been just so crazy lately, but I love posting for you guys, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to make a vlog. And today I am drinking my coffee in my favorite kitty mug that my bestie gave me. Thank you. And yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you might know that I announced that I was not going to be designing for the rest of the year, but I was looking through my old designs, and I got some inspiration by one of my designs, so I am using that stitch for a super quick, easy scarf. So it's going to be an infinity scarf with just one stitch, and it's the extended half double crochet. I believe I have a tutorial on that stitch, so you can go and click on that. And I also have a beanie with that stitch, and it's called the juniper beanie. So yeah, that hat was the thing that inspired this infinity scarf, so I can wait to finish it. And I am using the Pound of Love, look how huge that is, Pound of Love yarn by Lion Brand, but I might go to Michael's or Joann, I'm not sure yet which store I will go to, and find another yarn, just to have a different color for this. But I will have a tutorial for that, I promise you guys, because this one is super easy. It's just one stitch the whole project, and if you are a beginner, you're going to love it. So that is that for so yeah, that is that for my latest design, which I think it's probably going to be the last one of the rest of the year, just because I am focusing on my old designs and rewriting them, kind of like the pattern format, like the ad-free PDF versions that I have on Etsy, because I don't know if you guys know, but most of my patterns are available for free on my website, and you guys can go check that out. But I also have them on Etsy without ads on them, and you can purchase that if you want to help this channel out. So I'm trying to rewrite it and kind of make it look a little bit different, but other than that, I think that's pretty much it for the rest of the year. And if something changes, I will let you guys know, most likely on Instagram. So follow me there to get more updates, and I will show you footage of me going to the yarn store. Probably not today because I have a busy day today, but I'll record this later, so stay tuned. All right guys, so I made it to Michael's over here, and I'm gonna see what I can find for another yarn for that scarf. I'm thinking of like the Karen cakes, like this soft fluffy yarn, but I will see if they have it. I will show you what I find. Alright guys, so here I was at the store and I found this really cute yarn. I love the colors, and it is a super chunky yarn. You guys could probably do blankets and stuff like that, but I just thought I would show you because I love the color selection. And then this one too looks super comfy. Yeah, so I just thought I would show you guys, and look at those colors, you guys. Honestly, sometimes I buy yarn just because of the color, and this feels super soft. And here they had like a big section of the Pound of Love yarn that I told you I was using for my scarf. So yeah, Michael has it if you are looking for Pound of Love. And here's the yarn, you guys, that I was talking about, the Latte Cakes by Karen, and it's a really soft yarn. It has like fuzzies on it. And I was like deciding to maybe to get this color because it kind of screams like fall to me. But I was so undecisive, you guys. I didn't know what color to get. So I just I decided to not get anything in the end, and I might go back and get it, but in the meantime I'm going to finish the scarf with a pound of love. And yeah, because I really like this mustardy color, and I think it's gonna be great for fall too, but I might go back and get that last color that I showed you guys. Alright guys, so I ended up not getting anything on Michael's just because I wasn't feeling the color selection on the Karen cakes, but I did like the feeling of it. So I don't know, there was one color that I did kind of like, the orangey one, but I don't know, I might go back and get that one. But in the meantime, I will finish the scarf design with the Pound of Love yarn. And I do like that mustardy color. So thank you for watching my vlog, and stay tuned for the next video because it's going to be the tutorial on that scarf. So yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.